chunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight, my whole got talent.
Hi guys and welcome to Ban Tech Tips, and before we begin, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Hey guys and welcome to another episode of Tech News, and today as always I have a great news for you guys. It is coming from AMD about their Radeon 5700 series. So in this 5700 series we have three models, which would be 5700 XT 50th anniversary edition, 5700 XT, and then Radeon 5700. But in this video we would only talk about 5700 XT and 5700 standard version. So let's first look at the price of all the three graphics cards that would launch in some time. AMD Radeon 5700 XT would cost you around $399 US. It was originally priced at $449, for which now you would get the 50th anniversary edition. The basic difference between 5700 XT and 5700 XT anniversary edition is the base game boost clock and also the power consumption. On the other hand, the Radeon 5700 would now cost around $349 US, which was priced at $379. So now you would get a $50 drop in 5700 XT model and $30 drop in 5700 model. Now there's another thing that I wanted to discuss, and the main part of the video is the benchmarks. So we will get straight into the benchmarks for 5700 XT and 5700. We will compare it with Nvidia's RTX series as well. In Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 1440p DirectX 12, the 5700 XT beats the RTX 2070 Founders Edition and RTX 2060 Super, while the RX 5700 performs the same as RTX 2060 Super and beats the RTX 2060 Founders Edition, which is actually priced similar to the Radeon 5700 XT. Even in 1080p benchmarks, the 5700 XT beats RTX 2070 Founders Edition and RX 5700 beats RTX 2060 Super and Founder Edition as well. In Far Cry 5 at 1440p Ultra settings DirectX 11, we get similar pictures, with RX 5700 XT performing 5% better than the RTX 2070 Founders Edition and RX 5700 beating the RTX 2060 Super. But in Wolfestein 2, 1080p and 1440p, things do not go as per plan for AMD, as even the RTX 2060 Founders Edition keeps out the RX 5700 XT with 10% better performance and around 20% better than the real competition, which is RX 5700. In 3D Mark times by DirectX 12, RTX 2070 Founders Edition gets 9,312 points, beating RX 5700 XT, which gets 8,316 points, while the RX 5700 gets 7,491 points, 52 points more than RTX 2060 Founders Edition. In 3D Mark Firestrike DirectX 11, things change for AMD. RX 5700 XT gets 25,213 points and RTX 2070 Founders Edition gets 23,580 points. The AMD RX 5700 XT even beats the RTX 2070 Super. RX 5700 beats both RTX 2060 Founders Edition and RTX 2060 Super with 22,636 points score. So it looks like AMD has made a smart move by lowering the price of their upcoming GPUs, and now Nvidia has a decent competition in the RTX series. While this is based on the basic drivers that AMD has, updating the drivers might change the picture, and the performance of RX GPUs or Radeon GPUs would be better than the results that I've shown you today. And the most interesting thing in this benchmark is that RX 5700 XT was face to face with 2070 Super. It would be great to see the benchmarks for 5700 XT 50th anniversary edition, which would probably perform better than RTX 2070 Super and probably would perform similar to 2080 as well.